My name is Ruth Knight. I'm at an Iron Bevan Court in Dufferin, South Wales, and I want to tell you about my affinity with nature and how it affects my life. I just love being out in the garden. I'm an affinity with nature. I have always had this thing about nature. I used to help my dad, and he used to encourage my one brother and myself. I've always been happier out of doors than indoors. And I'm still the same today. I would rather be outside than in, unless I've got something worthwhile to do. I really have such a joy when I am out here that I really don't want to be disturbed. Just leave me to it. Let me stay and do what I want to do. Everything about the garden gives me pleasure. Even the weeds, because I know they got to be pulled out. This is my story and how I connect with nature.